How to find your name settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your name settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find this one, settings here, and click on it. And here you can find personal and account information. Click on it, and here you can find your name settings on Facebook Lite. Then just click edit and you can manage it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.